Good morning. I'm Sudha.
I'm Vaishnavi.
I'm Pratham.
I am Avinush.
And we are from Atal Tinkering Lab DPS Nacharam, and our project is Substation Asset Management.
Managing substations is a very important, essential task that needs to be carried out without any errors. If there are any errors, our day-to-day life will be interrupted. People who need to do work need power in order to do so.
Our solution to this problem is making a website with all the info how to carry out various substation assess maintenance processes. The website also contains the information about the tools that need to be carried to the substation.
We use a library in Python called Flask. Flask is a library that makes Python code compatible with HTML and JavaScript to make your website. The worker can open different web pages utilizing this chatbot. The UI of the website allows a worker who is not even trained to perform and ask queries. The queries can be ranging from anything, for example, how to fix a substation asset management.